Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel CapTech Pro. In previous video you have seen we have taken backup of our AD and it was a system state backup, and in this video we will delete few OUs and few users from our Active Directory users and computers, and we will try to recover them using the backup which we have taken in previous video. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. We'll open Server Manager. We will click on Tools. We'll click on Active Directory Users and Computers. So friend, this is our Active Directory Users and Computers wizard. We have so many OUs over here. We have accounts. In accounts you can see we have one client computer. Fred, George, Mayank are users. HR OU, we have two users, Amit and Ashish. So we will delete these both OUs and we'll try to recover them using the backup. So friends, now I will delete accounts OU. It is saying confirm subtree deletion. We'll check the box. We'll click on yes. So as you can see, our accounts OU is deleted. Now we'll delete HR OU, in which we have two users. We'll click on delete. Yes. Click on yes. Now we'll close this. Now we want to recover both the OUs. Close the Server Manager. So as you can see, in previous video we have taken our AD backup. Now we have to recover them, but we have to use DSRM, which is Directory Service Restored mode. But let me show you if we are able to recover them from clicking here or not. From Getting Starting Wizard, it is saying where is the backup stored you want to use for recovery. AD backup is in this DC server. So we'll click on next. Our backup location is AD backup D, status is available online, and recovery is system state. Okay, so it is saying what do you want to recover, files and folders, volume, or system state. We will select system state and we'll click on next. Where do you want to recover the system state of Active Directory backup to? Original location or alternative location? No, we want to recover it on original location. We'll click on perform an authoritative restore of Active Directory files. We'll check the box and we'll click on next. So now as you can see, it is saying the backup contains Active Directory domain service which can be recovered only when the computer is started in the Directory Service Restore mode, and retire the system state recovery operation from DSRM. So we'll click on OK and we'll cancel this. Now I will minimize this, and now from your keyboard press Windows keys plus R. Now in open type MSC config and click on OK. Go to boot and check the box safe boot and select Active Directory repair and click on apply and click on OK. As you can see, one message is prompt. You may need to restart your computer to apply these changes. Before restarting, save any open files or close all programs. We'll click on restart. So friends, as you can see, by clicking on restart, we are now on our DSRM mode, which is Directory Service Restored mode. Now we will open Server Manager. We'll click on Tools. We will open Windows Server Backup. We'll click on Local Backup. It is saying reading data, please wait. So now we will click on Recover. It is saying where is the backup stored that you want to use for recovery. We'll select this server, which is DC. We'll click on Next. We'll select the backup. It is AD backup, available online, and the recovery item is system state. We'll click on next. What do you want to recover? Files and folders, volume, or system state? We want to restore just the system state. We'll select the system state. We'll click on next. In select location for system state recovery wizard, it is saying where do you want to recover the system state of Active Directory backup to? We want to save in original location. We want to recover in the original location. We'll check the box, perform an authoritative restore of Active Directory files, and we'll click on next. So as you can see, one message is prompt. It is saying note this recovery option will cause all the replicated content on the local server resynchronize after recovery. This may cause a potential latency or outage issue. We'll click on OK, and now we'll click on recover and we'll click on yes. So friends, as you can see, our recovery has started. Okay friends, now I will pause the video, and once the recovery process will finish, I will resume. Okay friends, so now as you can see our recovery completed. Now one message is prompt. The computer must be restarted to complete the recovery operation. We'll click on restart. Okay friends, so as you can see our system is restarted. It is saying the system state recovery operation that started at this date on this time has successfully completed. Please enter to continue. We'll press enter. Okay, so now our recovery is done. Now we will reboot our computer to normal mode. We will type msconfig, press enter. We'll click on boot. We will uncheck the box. On general, we'll select normal startup and we'll click on apply and we'll click on OK. Click on restart. Okay friends, so we have booted our machine and now we can log into our domain administrator. One thing guys, make sure it should be a normal boot. Otherwise, if you are booting using the DSRM mode, so you won't be able to log into domain administrator. We will enter the password. So as you can see, now we are able to log into domain administrator. Now friends, we'll go to server manager and we'll see if we have recovered our OUs or users. We'll click on tools and we'll select Active Directory users and computers. So friend, this is our Active Directory users and computer wizard. We'll click on captechpro.local and as you can see our account OU is back. Our 3 users of account are recovered. Now we'll click on HR. HR OU is also recovered. And Ashish and Amit both are back. And in computers, client computer is also recovered. So friends, by this way you can perform recovery of our Active Directory. Now we'll close this. Okay friends, so we have successfully recovered our Active Directory, OU and users. That's it for video. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any doubt related to recovery, you can post it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.